Alright, so halo. Jadi ini untuk ya remedial math, walaupun aku tidak kompo, maafkan saya ya juga. Yeah, I kind of forgot. So I'm gonna start off from two questions that Miss asked us to solve the problems and jelasin gitulah. Jadi aku akan mengambilkan nomor 8 dan 12. Kita mulai dari nomor 8 ya. M pangkat 12 tambah M pangkat 10 per M pangkat 10 tambah M pangkat 8 kali N pangkat 5 tambah N pangkat 3 per N pangkat 7 plus N pangkat 5. Nah, kalian lihat nih ya, atau kalian bisa lihat atau enggak ya. I'll show you. That's the questions right there. So I'm gonna solve it. So first we're gonna do the first, I don't know how to say this, but yeah, I guess just follow it. We're gonna take the M12, and we see that right next to it is M to the power of 10. I'm gonna convert it to that. Dikurung juga jadi dikurangin. If you guys can see what I'm doing, at least. Or in reality, yeah. Is this a good angle? I guess. So gonna take these and 2 plus 1 per, I'm gonna do the same thing as that, M to the power of 8. Let's see what's missing with these and these to the first number at least. Now we see that these two are the same, so we're gonna, as you might know it, so we're gonna have M to the power of 10 per M to the power of 8. Because it's division, so we might just subtract the power into M to the power of 2. So that's the first one right here. So we're gonna move on to these. So secondly, this part is like the same as the last one, so N5 plus N3 per N7 plus N5. We're gonna convert it to N3 first, kurung apa kurangnya N pangkat 2 plus 1. And do the same thing as last time, yeah. So there we have it. Right here the value is the same, so we're gonna delete that real quick. So we got N to the power of 3 per N to the power of 5. As I said before, it's division towards these powers, so it's gonna be a subtract. Sorry about that. It's gonna be N to the power of minus 2. As the result of that, it's M to the power of 2 times N to the power of minus 2. Minus 2 can be converted to 1 per N to the power of 2. So we're gonna do some fixing for a bit, since this is like 1, so it's per 1, and that gives us m to the power of 2 per n to the power of 2. That's the answer for number 8 as we're speaking. So we're gonna move on to number 12. Yes, it's, if you're gonna see, it's that. I know it's messy, it's just my thing. Okay, number 12, it's x to the power of n plus 5 minus x to the power of n plus 3 per x to the power of n plus 3 minus x to the power of n plus 1. So right here, we're gonna do the same thing as the last number right here. Yes, previously I did not know this because I'm dumb. So at least we're gonna continue this. This is in the way. Okay, I think that's a good angle, right? If you guys can see it, of course. So we're gonna do the same thing as last time. X n plus 3 to, what the hell? Oh, my phone just lights up. Never mind. To x to the power of 2 minus 1 per x to the power of n plus 1 kurung x to the power of 2 minus 1. That's the same thing. Nilainya sama, kita coretin. Terdapat hasil x pangkat n plus 3 per x n pangkat n plus 1. Kita sudah mendapatkan ini. Seperti yang tadi, kita akan buat pangkatnya itu jadi ya gitulah. Nah, minuskan. Dengan hasil dari sini dan ini, hasilnya harus x kuadrat. Ini adalah, this is the final answer for number 12, and this is the final answer for number 8. If you can't really see my handwriting at all, I guess. If you want me to make it clear, as last time, the answer to number 8 was m to the power of 2 per n to the power of 2. As for number 12, it's x to the power of 2. Okay, I guess that's it.